Hey everyone, it's Matt with Sensible here. Today I'm going to do a quick video on some of the very basics of using Sensible. So to start out, showing you how to upload your first sample document and build your first template. So you can see on my screen, we have a brand new trial account. Should look very similar to your account that you're using. So let's say we have a document and we know that we want to build our own template and extract data from it. What are we going to do? Well, the first step is going to be clicking on this document type button. And you can think of a document type as a bit like a folder for your different templates. So in this case, let's click new document type. And so I'm going to start with doing some auto insurance policies. So I don't think you'll be able to see this pop up as I look for it. But let's go with an Allstate one. All right, so I clicked my sample file. You can give your doc type a name, and then the actual template that you're creating, you can give a name. So very important. I would recommend using auto-generate, because what this will do is it'll attempt to actually guess what you would want to extract from the document and then build out a template for you, and then we could go through and modify it. So once I click create, you'll see a new window load. So a couple things I should point out. So this is the main module you'll be working in with Sensible. In the middle, we have our sample document. In the left-hand side, we have our template we've created. And then in the right-hand side, we have the data that we're trying to extract. And so you can see it did a pretty decent job. I don't see any null values. So it just tried to guess roughly what we might want to pull from this document. And so if you see this left-hand side, we're using the query group method, which means that we're relying on an LLM. So we're relying on AI to do this. And then if we wanted to make a small adjustment, all we would do is adjust the template right here. So let's say, for example, instead of just calling this policyholder1, we wanted this just to be policyholder. We can literally just delete that in the code, and it's auto going to update what our key value is going to be. Same way, if we wanted to adjust these questions, we could modify them here, or if we wanted to add another question, we could copy paste that and then just edit it. So pretty easy to get going. But for most of you, what you might want to do first is actually look through our template library. So we do have a ton of pre-built templates, and in this case, I know for sure that we have an Allstate auto declaration page, so let's go and add one. So instead what we'll do is we'll come here to our template library. We know it's insurance, so I'm just going to use this to sort. It's a policy deck page. It's auto policy deck. And then this is going to show you all the different ones that we have inside of here. Cool, we have the Allstate one. So let's go and clone this to the account. And what this will do is it'll clone all of these documents into one new doc type. So now you can see, if I come back to doc type, we have the auto policy declaration. That's the one I just copied over. And then each of these are going to be individual templates right here. And so pretty straightforward. But if you come over, I believe it was Allstate we were looking at, you can load this back up. And you can see this template looks a little bit different because this is one that we've built. And so instead of relying on AI, we're actually using rules and heuristics. But it's going to be pretty comprehensive, and same sort of deal. You can modify anything right here. But yeah, it's as easy as that.